Hi, my name is Marianne Hugo, and I am the director of the Coastkeeper Garden. We're in Orange, California, and the garden is a fabulous demonstration garden. We have 2.5 acres of water-wise plants, and we also showcase pollinator plants. We have a natural play area for the kids, and it's just an all-around great experience for a family that wants to come out and experience nature. Orange County Coastkeeper is a clean water environmental organization. We work throughout Orange County and Southern California on water quality issues to help keep our water clean. We also work to help inform and educate the public on the importance of reducing pollution, water quality, also on water conservation. Without water, the garden would essentially cease to exist. I mean, everything we do here is a showcase on water conservation, but without water, the plants would cease to live. Every plant, regardless of how drought tolerant it is, needs some type of moisture or some type of irrigation to look its best and to survive. One of the things that the garden does is we're actually a designated pollinator habitat. And what that means is that our plants provide shelter as well as food sources for pollinators. And without water, our pollinators would not have access to all these plants, which means our pollinator population would definitely decline. As humans, we're reliant on pollinators. On average, every 1 out of 3 bites of food you eat is directly attributed to a pollinator. So a day without water would not only decimate the garden, but what you eat would drastically change. We take all of this for granted. We're really spoiled, and I think we've gotten so busy that we don't realize how precious of a resource water is and how spoiled we are to have all this luxury. Believe me, a day without water and people would really realize how important it is and how lucky we are to not have to go and fill jugs of water and bring them back to the house. It's just incredible how privileged we are here in Orange County.